Good morning, friends. Um, just wanted to give you an update based on the early morning situation today on the 7th of January 2020. Now, yesterday again in the evening, things were not very clear, but overnight the Dow recovered. US markets closed higher and Brent crude declined even further. Now, why this update is important and why it's being given is because we underperformed global markets yesterday because uh, crude Brent crude rising impacts us much more than it impacts other markets. So, given that crude has cooled off a little bit, global markets are kind of stabilizing, and today, we have SGX, which is higher by about 66 points and almost opening at about 12,115. It's possible that you have a very serious pullback for starters, and if Brent continues to cool down, then you could even develop into a fairly decent rally. So, my sense is that if we start to hold, say, 12,000 and 80, 12,090 on the futures, nifty futures, you could end up having a trend day on the upside. So this is a situation which people have to be ready for. The bank nifty could rally even harder. So for the moment, the buy trade is also on the table given the change in situation, because yesterday, possibly people were pricing in $75 of crude. Now that it's come down to about 68, that will lead to, a lot of short covering. So my sense would be to buy, post the opening range, the 15-minute high or the half an hour high, and then see where we go from there. So, like yesterday was basically selling on the first bar, today the opposite can happen. So, just this is the update I want to give, that avoid selling into the opening gap up, because the sort of gap up that we are looking at could see follow through on the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised if you have a 500 point upside rally on bank nifty and maybe 120 points at least on the nifty, could be even more, because the news which was leading the market lower has toned down quite a bit. That should be it for this small update. Take care and have a great trading day. Thank you.